watching the news and keeping up the news. Hurricane Flo hit North Carolina the other day or whatever, but it's like a tropical storm now. It's not even in the categories or whatever. But it is pouring down raining, and I am not doing anything this weekend. Nothing. I think it's going to get bad tonight. Hopefully our power doesn't go out so that I can at least put up a little bit of something. I'm mostly going to be in the house. I have a whole bunch of junk food to eat. Like this morning I ate my cereal bar. I'm eating my cereal bar and a Pop-Tart. Not the best thing to be eating. I have my phone charging right now. Some people are already out of power, which is really sad because there's nothing but just raining. It's kind of windy. I felt like crap when I woke up. I was like all congested. So I have the door open, let some fresh air in. And then later on I'm probably gonna go clean up the kitchen because Sean and his friends cooked last night. But you know guys, they don't clean up the kitchen at all. So yeah, I'm about to watch something on the iPad because our TV is messed up somehow. So I have to watch my iPad today, and I don't really want that to go dead because if the power does go out, I won't have anything to watch other than my phone, and I don't want my phone to go dead. So I have all our little portable chargers, our two little portable chargers. Y'all can't even see. The lighting's, bad in here. I have our two little portable chargers charged up, so they're ready to go. We have two flashlights. No, one flashlight, 4 candles. But I'm praying that our power doesn't go out and I just have a relaxing, chill weekend. But I'll get back on if I'm doing anything interesting later. Or when Sean gets here. He was here, but I was so knocked out, y'all. I mean, I was gone. I went to sleep with my contacts on last night, and my eyes were all crusty this morning. Couldn't barely open them. Other than that, I'm about to relax and watch a movie or something. Yeah, so I had enough of that house. I had to get out. I had to leave. I'm going. It's not really raining that much. It's just like drizzling kind of. And I said, I gotta get up out of that house because I'm going stir crazy. So I'm going to be a fat girl and get something to eat instead of cooking at home so I can get out the house. Ooh. People's light power is out. There's like a power truck up here. It's only one lane. So I'm pretty sure we have a few power outages. I'm just hoping that our power doesn't go out because then I really would be going crazy, y'all. Sean's not home till 7. It's only 5:39. See, it's only one lane of traffic right now. I mean, it's not raining too bad. Y'all can't really see it with the camera, but the wind's blowing just a tad. I don't know. Now I'm at Starbucks. I can't sit y'all up because I got the thing. Got me some Jack in the Box, curly fries, and a hamburger. It's so fat. Excuse me. And it's pretty damn fresh. I guess not. Pray that all the homeless people found shelter. Oh no, there's one right there. I always see homeless people where I'm at, and there's still one out here. They turned all our high schools here into shelters for people who are homeless. So I was hoping I wouldn't see a homeless person today, but I think I just saw one. Yeah, so sad. Alright, you guys, I just got back home, about to eat. It's a little ashy. I did hang up my little pants in the bathroom because they're like soaking wet. But I'm gonna play something that is so quiet. I want to do a mukbang, but the lighting is bad. Terrible in here. So my iPad charged just a little bit so I can watch some Netflix. I've been watching what is it called? Sugar Rush. I love baking shows, so that's what I'm about to watch. Finish watching. A good show. Got me some snacks. Got my Starbucks vanilla bean frappuccino. Look how I turn my iPad. Like, I'm watching it like this. Let me see it right here. Got me a little Sprite. It's not even strong anymore. I got my real food in here. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. It's at least 6 o'clock. Let me see. Yes, it's 6 o'clock. Yes. Sean gets up at 7. That's what I'm excited. That's why I'm excited. My little small curly fry. Hurricane, go away. Hey, it's here. Now I'm eating these. These are my favorite candy in the whole wide world. That is almost gone. And I'm also drinking my Starbucks. Hey y'all. So I'm about to eat some more snacks. The only new thing that I've done is wash some clothes. I just put the last load in the dryer. I need to fold these towels. Turn this light off. That little tank like Sean got me, not even worth it. I want a sandwich, but then you know how when it's going to snow or when it's going to rain or hurricane or freaking tornado, which we don't excuse the curtain or something, everybody always buys milk and bread. I don't know what they're making with the milk and bread, but they always buy milk and bread. Luckily, me and Sean had bread, so I didn't buy any. I never look at expiration dates. So, what was this? Friday night? When his friends was over and they were cooking. Like, I looked at the bread and I was like, oh, it's got freaking mold on it. And I thought we would be good for the hurricane weather or whatever. No. So now we don't have bread and I don't feel like driving. So hopefully Sean will bring some home so I can make me some sandwiches for lunch tomorrow. This nervous. But I'm about to eat my little pretzels and cheese. And I'm watching, I'm about to get on Netflix. My battery's going dead. I was watching Clarence and Queen. They canceled their gender reveal. I think I'm about to get on Netflix and watch my baking show. What's the name of it again? Sugar Rush. Finish watching that and just relax. I mean, it's been the most relaxing weekend I've ever had. And later, I probably will do my hair, and I'll probably get back on camera while I do my hair because it's hot. I don't want to wash it. I think I'm gonna do that on Wednesday because I don't feel like really washing my hair. So I'm gonna oil it really good and probably twist it back down or braid it down. It's a little bun right here. And yeah. What was I about to say? Yeah, I'm gonna wash it on Wednesday. I have a half day at work, so I just work the morning, Wednesday morning, and I have to go to the dentist to get my teeth cleaned. I might vlog it. We'll see. I might vlog it. I have to go get my teeth cleaned, and then I'm trying to think when I go to orthodontist. I think it's the 28th. I got, I think, 2 more weeks, and then I go to the orthodontist. Ooh, why's my calendar like that? No, I have 1 more week before I go to the orthodontist for my second to last visit. My last visit will be October 5th. But yeah. So I go to the dentist Wednesday. This Wednesday coming up at 2:30. And then Thursday I also have to leave work early, but I'm gonna leave at 4:30 instead of 5:30. It's an hour early. I had to take my niece to flipping sport, gymnastics. I gotta take her to gymnastics for my sister-in-law. I'm trying to help her out. So that should be fun too. Maybe I'll vlog that too. Depends, I don't know. Make sure if I remember to bring my camera to work. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really doing anything, y'all. About to just watch this show really quick and relax. You guys, I just detangled my hair. It wasn't tangled too bad, but I detangled it. Got a little oil on my shirt. Hopefully it comes out when I wash it. I hate oil stains with a passion. I just put it up in this little buns. It's a little bit out. I need to like bring it around and pin it, but it's okay. It's gonna work right now. I'm about to fold some clothes. I decided to stop watching YouTube because I'm not getting nothing done. So I'm about to fold these clothes really quick that's on the bed. What's that? Fold these clothes, and I might throw on some in the hamper, but y'all know me. I hate folding clothes, so whatever gets done, gets done. Sean will finish the rest because I think he likes folding. I don't know. And then, I don't know. I got some more in the dryer, which I don't really want to go get, so. What time is it? Is it almost 7? It's 6:34. Sean's almost home. Sean's almost home. Ooh, 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 ooh. To heal, to breathe, to give you dangerously alive. Yeah. Life without you, heal me, 'cause I'm I just wanna be without you. I don't wanna live without you. I can't live I can't go without you. I don't wanna be alone. Got Kylie, the other surprise is in the car still. So I got her some Moana stickers. Look, it's stickers. You want Maui? Here's some Maui.